Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? So, what's going on? Today video is very special for Pundi X holder. This is an urgent video. This is urgent latest updates for Pundi X holder. So, keep watch this video because this is very critical situation for Pundi X holder. Therefore, I make this video for only Pundi X holder. So brother, before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest updates and good news of all cryptocurrency. So hope you subscribe it. Okay guys, so first of all, if you can see here the latest price of Pundi X coin as 0.007007 US dollar as the latest price of one Pundi X token. So this time you can see here the chant first of all is in positive. So congratulations, my brother. I think the price is very small change, but 0.48% they're going up. So this is literally very good. Okay, brother. So let's check out the market cap. The market cap is absolutely totally goes down off. So this is absolutely a very good. You can see here the market cap as 0.48% also gone up, and full diluted market cap is also. But if we check out here the volume of last 24 hour as totally goes down 53%, 0.53% is gone down. So this is very bad news. This is one bad news for Pundi X holder. My brother, if you have any plan, to buy more Pundi X token, then I think these days are good for you to buy it. Okay, yes, absolutely. I am also going to buy more Pundi X token. Pundi X token. If you buy in those days, then I think this is the second week of this month, and I hope it's the mid of month they give you a good profit. They give you a very good profit because everybody know the Pundi X is very fast cryptocurrency, and if you know to only costly, then I think this is big mistake to you cannot buy it. Okay, so buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month or mid of this month and sell it. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a very good profit. So what you are going to exchange, what you are going to buy, what are you doing? Please share your opinion, share your expectation about Pundix and a comment box. This is very important for every holder because I'm also holder of Pundix. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need this type more informative, please subscribe and press the bell icon for videos notification.